Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me. In today's session, we're going to be working on asanas that are going to help in improving organ health by massaging and stimulating them, as well as we're going to be working on strength and stability in our body. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel, and close your eyes. Just noticing how you feel in this moment. You're not trying to change anything, just becoming aware of all the sensations that we are feeling in our body. Noticing the thoughts coming to our mind. Now, as you breathe in, notice the air entering your nostrils, the back of your throat, all the way to your abdomen. Feeling your belly move forward. And as you breathe out, notice the warm air on the top of your upper lip. One more deep breath in. And breathe out completely. Now as you breathe in, bring your hands all the way up towards the ceiling and turn and look towards the right side. Now if you can, go further, bringing your chin in the direction of your right shoulder, looking at the wall behind you. Inhale, hands come all the way up again. And this is your first twist here. Breathing in. And breathing out. As you breathe in, try to straighten your spine, but simultaneously trying to push your belly forward. And as you breathe out, pulling your navel back towards your spine and relaxing in the pose. Inhale, come all the way up, and as you exhale, fold forward. You can keep your elbows bent, stack your palms one over the other, rest your forehead on your palms. Breathe in, pushing the air towards your lower back, basically bringing awareness to your lower back. And as you breathe out, really relaxing in this pose. Inhale and slowly come up. Now swing your legs to one side. Legs are nice and straight. Now we're going to breathe in, reach our hands up. And as we breathe out, we're going to turn and twist to one side. Place my right hand directly behind my hip, left onto the floor, bend your elbows and come down. If this is not very comfortable, bring it here to the side and down, forehead onto the mat. Breathe in, come up, reach your hands up, breathe out and forward, trying to bring the forehead down. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale and down. Breathe in. Last time to your left. See that you're keeping your heels, engaged on the mat, and your legs are not flopping to the side. Breathe in. Bring your hands up. Now, as you breathe out, you're going to go fold forward onto the outside of your right foot. Here I'm not trying to actively stretch, just collapse wherever your body allows you to, bringing both your arms on the outside. Breathing in, breathing out. One more breath in. You may feel stretch in your lower back, especially on the left side. See that your left Sit bone is not coming off the mat. Press it into the mat. Every time you breathe out, collapsing further into the stretch. Breathe in. Come all the way up. Press your fingertips towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, completely collapsing on the other side. Chin towards your chest. If you notice, I'm rounding my back and not stretching. I'm not trying to keep it straight here. Inhale. Slowly bring your hands all the way up. Exhale. Hands come down. Now swing your legs to one side. Hands on the mat. Lift and come all the way to downward dog. Legs are hip width or a little wider. Now walk your palms closer. Knees can stay bent here. Breathing in and breathing out. We're not trying to focus on straightening or stretching the back of our legs. We're trying to focus on taking a right hand and either holding your ankle and pulling yourself into, trying to look from under your left arm towards the left side of the room. Breathe in and breathe out. Press all the four corners of your feet into the mat. Knees can stay bent. It's totally fine. Come back. This time the other side. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Breathing in and breathing out. Now here try and straighten your knees and try to drop your heels onto the mat. Stay here. See that you don't lift your heels at any point, and now walk your palms away from you. Only to a point that your heels still stay on the mat. You'll notice a stretch all along the back of your legs. Again, back here. Let's walk again away. And this time when you come back, see that you don't bend your knees. Just come to a point where your knees can still not bend, or your legs can stay straight. Breathe in. You can look forward and back. Just some movements in your neck, side to side, forward and back. Walk your hands all the way. Walk your feet between your palms. Stay here. So you can be here, or you can bring your hands to the floor, wherever it works for you. If you need to bend both your knees deeply, place your right palm beneath your face, and then you're going to straighten the right knee, bend the left deeply. Notice the stretch all along. Inhale, reach up, pointing your fingers towards the ceiling. Your gaze can stay straight ahead or at your palms. Notice how you feel. If you feel dizzy, looking up, always a good option to look down. From here, you can always roll your shoulders back, drop your hands, your arms behind your waist and stretch. Come back. Hands come down this time. Bend your right knee. Left side, same way. Going all the way up. Reach, reach, reach. Press all the four corners of your feet. Breathing in. Pressing. Yeah, see that you place your palm directly beneath your face. 2 and 1. Come back. Shake your legs out. Breathing in. Inhale, slowly come up. Bring your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Right knee lifts off. Your right knee in line with your hip crease. Now bring both your hands to hold and get steady. Look at a point on the floor or on the wall, something that's not shaking. Now I continue holding my knee with my left hand. Turn and twist. Breathing in and breathing out. Now step back. Ashtachandrasana. Reach your hands up, heels off the mat. You can also bend your knees slightly here. Keep it straight. 2 and 1. Now drop your knee onto the mat. I take my right elbow, place it on the outside of my left knee. Palms stacked one over the other. You can just stay here in the twist. And if you want to go further, just raise your knees off. It's your choice. You can choose whatever works for you. Breathe in. And breathe out. Hands come back. And slowly bring your right to join the left. Inhale. Once again, breathe in. Reach up. Bring your left knee up. Grab your left knee. To balance this side is a challenge. Notice how each side of your body feels different. Step back. Ashtachandrasana. Breathe in. Reach up. 2 and 1. Drop your knee. Spin. And twist. Breathe in and breathe out. If you want to, like I said, you can always raise your knee up. Noticing the stretch, deepen, the twist deepen actually. Drop your hands down. Hands come back. Step back. Just arch your back. Stretch. Big toes to touch. Sit back and stretch in Shashankasana. You bend your elbows. Forehead either resting on your palms or on the mat. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly bring your hands next to your feet. Rest your forehead. Continue to keep your forehead on the mat. We're going to end today's session resting in child's pose. Focusing on our breath, focusing on our thoughts. Feeling grateful to be alive. Today's session was not easy, but I'm so glad you showed up and did this practice with me. Thank you once again for joining me in this journey. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Namaste.